rumble out in the night.
Hello everyone, Star Guy 18 here. I am really bored today, so this might be boring to all of you, but for some who enjoy golfing, I'm a golf fanatic, in case you haven't known by my name. I'm going to give you a demonstration on how you decide on how I putt and stuff. But I'm only going to show you once, so those who miss it are going to miss it. Well, anyway, let's do this. Let's do this, bitch. Alright. Here we go. Alright, one time only. If I miss it, well, that's what I'm going to do again. But if I make it, then, yeah. That was practice one. Okay, do it again. All again. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna miss it this time. Do it again. That was mulligan 2 times. Do it again. Okay, being serious now. This is serious now. It was a phenomenal putt. It was a master's triumph sort of thing. So anyway, that was just a boredom thing I wanted to do. So any of you who wants to comment on thinking I can't talk right now. Who want to suggest any ideas for me? Please do so, because I'm totally bored and don't know what to come up with or anything. So please, leave something in the comment area, and I don't know, I might think of something creative along the way, or in a few days or something. I don't know. Thanks for watching, and ta-ta!